Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATRS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only today, but the past several days, the bulls have been building nice and methodically. Today, things woke up quite a bit. I mean, a lot more volume, especially the final 30-minute surge here. But definitely some updates need to be done since the last time I've done it. I think it was several weeks ago, maybe even a couple months ago when I did this one. But I know I've done it before. I don't remember when, though. But regardless, let's talk about the first area of support. And this is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be $2.68. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.68, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that, right here at $2.55. So 268, 255, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at this from the bigger picture, so this definitely assumes you have a broader time horizon, but that is where the 50-period simple moving average comes into play, being denoted by that purple line. And as the name implies, moving average, so that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time unfolds. And in a very basic yet very effective way, if you want to gauge the health of the entire move, just use that line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price is above it, the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. As far as levels of resistance, they don't even matter on this chart. What do I mean by that? Well, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, and what has it been doing? Well, it just keeps on building these higher bases. So as long as higher bases continue to be built, everything else is going to take care of itself. I mean, you stop and think about it from a literal perspective. If a price is putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, then the chart literally runs out of room, and the price has got to go higher on the chart, aka break levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher bases and higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.